Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today guys, I have another exciting crypto project for you. But before that, I need to remind you I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, guys. Always do research, and let's check out this project.
Get money.
So today in this video, I want to talk about a really exciting project. This is going to be an exchange project, and I'm always looking for the next upcoming exchange that offers unique features. And today we're going to talk about a project called BYDFi, and I think this project offers a lot of unique features, which are really needed right now in the market, like KYCs, leverage. So as usual, we're going to check out the website, check out the project, all the features, and I'll explain you why I picked this project and why I think it's a bullish project, and also why I picked to use it. So once we're on the BYDFi page, it's a really cool name actually, but pretty hard to say. It really reminds me of the Binance, which is not a bad thing because Binance, of course, put in millions to perfect the UI. And this project looks pretty similar, but in a good way. But the thing is, this project offers way more than Binance, than Kraken, and other exchanges if we talk about the features. So let's dive in the project and check out all the info we have on the website. So the first thing, you can see that here they have all the opportunities, all the options, all the features of the platform. So we can jump into the flaming one, the derivatives. You can see they have perpetual contracts settled in the USDT, and you can pick right here. Next up, they have CoinM, which is perpetual contracts settled in the cryptocurrency. Again, you can see all the options. After that, they have light contracts. And you can see light contracts are trading for the beginners. And actually, they have a really huge list of options with the light contracts. You can see all the most popular cryptocurrencies. You can see, like Aave light contracts. It offers 150 derivative pairs, which is a really big amount. And if you're really into crypto, if you're starting to trade, it's always to have all these options in one platform. You don't need to jump from different platforms to find all the favorite projects, all the favorite coins. So this is why I think this project is really leading. After that, they offer, actually for the people who like risk, who like to go big with crypto, they're offering really high leverage trading. They actually even offer 200x leverage trading, which is really way above, I would say, average like everyday exchange, which is really good because if people want it, why not have it? And sometimes you want to gamble, sometimes you're really sure about some coin, or you have some really good tips, good knowledge about the project, and you think the project is going up. It's a good opportunity, and of course good to have this feature. Next thing with all of these exchanges is of course KYCs. You probably in the comments will ask me, do you have to KYC? And this is again a really huge feature, and why I'm actually talking about this project, that this project doesn't require you to KYC for withdrawals up to 0.5 BTC, which is I think pretty big amount. And once you KYC, you can do I think 10 BTC daily. So without KYC, 0.5 daily BTC, which is a huge amount, and with KYC even bigger. And I know lots of people watching this video don't like KYCs. So again, guys, this project has lots of pairs. You can trade with 200x leverage and no KYC if you're like taking out 0.5 BTC and lower daily. So I don't know, I think these are already pretty killer features. After that, they're also offering copy trading, and this is again really cool feature. I talked about copy trading in lots of my past videos, and I think this could be really great choice for the traders who are just starting out, because you can copy other traders, learn from them, and of course make some passive income. So if you jump to the copy trading, I don't know, like a button option, you can see they have really nice platform, and you can pick from the top traders. So you can see 30-day ROI. So which means you can see the last 30 days, the biggest winners, the biggest winner traders, and of course you can copy these traders. After that, you have options like 30-day win rate, also follower amount. So you can pick the favorite, of course, traders and copy their trades. Again, I think this is a pretty good option, but again, there is risk. You never know who's trading. There could, of course, be people who will lose money. But if you check their history, you can do like calculated bet. I really like this feature. And after that, they have these welcome rewards. And I think this could be a really good option for people watching this video. If you're just starting to trade, or you're looking for the new exchange to jump on, this could actually really attract you, because they have these different coupons and welcome rewards. So you can see new user tasks. So you can see Google authentication reward $2, anti-pushing code reward $2. So they have pretty good, I would say, coupons for people just starting out. And now they're actually offering a special offer. If you're signed into the platform, do KYC and add money with a credit card, you will get $100 airdrop for your perpetual trading, which is a great deal. Also, they have some advanced tasks. You can see, yeah, you can also do these tasks. You can see accumulate deposit of $3,000. So again, this is way better than Binance or other platforms. That's why I'm really attracted with this platform, because I feel like they have lots of free money giving away to new users. They're offering really unique features, and this is just a starting point. So I don't know, after that, they're probably gonna build more and of course reward the users. That's why I'm really interested. And guys, if you have any questions about this project, you can of course ask me in the comments, or join my free Telegram group and ask me questions there. So guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.